Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make thumbnails like these. So this is my channel, Tigez Schooling. Make sure to subscribe it. So if you are, satisfied with the thumbnails that I have made on change voice during call, record, and you can visit my channel and the thumbnails that I have made. And if you find like these are really attractive thumbnails and you want to learn on how to make the thumbnails exactly like this, you have to follow this video till the end. And before you do that, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. That's why you will remain notified. So for that, all you have to do is go to Google and write down a website called Canva. It's totally free. You don't have to pay any single fee. So go to Canva, click on Canva free design, don't click the advertisement. So when you reach in here, make sure first you cut this up and make sure to sign in, because I'm signed in with this account. So it's totally free. You can sign up for free. Just sign. You can see in here it's written free. So you can totally do it for free. Just sign up. And the next step you have to do is go to in front of home. There's an option called templates. When you hover over to the templates, you will see multiple options to select from, but what we are looking for is called YouTube thumbnail. So if you can't find a YouTube thumbnail, as I'm having difficulty, what would you do is in search bar click on YouTube thumbnail and something will pop up, YouTube thumbnail, and you can see I've just wrote YouTube thumbnail. So click on it. Like there's thumbnail options, live stream YouTube thumbnail, music YouTube thumbnail. Just go with the YouTube thumbnail, click on it, and when you click on it, you will get a lot of when you see this crown option, which means it's premium. This is paid one. So for what you have to do is not click any of, if you find any logo interesting, like these are all free, this one is free, this one is free, this one is free, this one is free, majority of them are free. But if you find like you want to do it separately, work on it. So what you have to do is create a blank YouTube thumbnail like I do. So you want to start from scratch. It's very easy to start from scratch because all the thumbnails are available, and you will be brought to this site, and this is our home ground. So this is where you're going to work now. So for example, if I want to create a thumbnail for this video, so this is on how to make how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So what I would do, I will find an attractive what we call attractive background logo. So that will be helpful for me. So we will write something like YT, maybe something that is related to YouTube or computer. There is some computer screen. So for example, we write computer. Let's write computer, and we find interesting things. So this looks interesting to me, this one. So I'll just this is paid one, cannot use this one. So what we do is find something free, computer. This one is also good, this one is also fine, and we scroll down, not interesting. Again, we change our search and we go YouTube. So this is also a free one. This is also about YouTube thing. So what we do is let's click this one and bring it in here. Just grab it and automatically it will appear. So this is free. So we will do some changes in it. What would we do is go to elements, and we'll try to remove the girl we don't want. It's editable, so we're gonna remove this. So we have just removed the girl. So we came to elements in here. We're gonna search for computer. So we would add computer, manually. Computer manually. So these are our different options and computer thing. So what we do is we grab a computer screen. So this one looks fine. There are multiple options, but this one looks good. All right, I'll grab it in here. I'll enlarge it and select all of these. You can select all of these and make them small. If you want to make something small, like separately, you can drag them separately. But if you're working on all of them, you're gonna select all of them. So latest YouTube thumbnail. So I have to edit a few things. I have to let's search something that is related to video. I'll add up on the screen, so that looks in here. make it small, and again click search for, you can cut something with Control X. You just click on it and write Control X, it will be deleted. If you want to bring it back, undo it, you're going to click on Control or Command Z if you're using a MacBook. So what I do is click on Command C, which means I will copy it. So for example, if I click it and click on Command C or Control C, it'll be copied, and I'm going to paste it in here. So it's again pasted. I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to change it a bit like this. Thumbnail. So what I'm going to do is write something more on it. Make your own free thumbnail. So I want to highlight free with color, a different color that looks attractive. I think green would be great with this. So I'll click on green. So free is green, and other things are pretty normal for me. Latest YouTube thumbnail. So in here where we remove latest, we write how to make free YouTube thumbnail. Okay, this one is pretty good. We drag it up here. How to make free YouTube thumbnail. So this one is good in here. Okay, I think this is too much work in here. We're just gonna enlarge it. We're gonna write free thumbnail maker. We're gonna thumbnail, we just missed something, thumbnail. So we're gonna enlarge it a bit, and I'm gonna, again, let's make free some different color. I guess let's try blue on it. Blue looks good. So this is our easy way on creating a thumbnail. So this is, I wrote free thumbnail maker. I think even this one looks bit cheap to me. You can even change it for further, if you want to improve something on it. So now what we do is next step would be, if you're done with this, you're gonna click on share, and in here click on downloads. Don't go to PNG, go to JPG. This is the way we want it. We're gonna click on JPG. We're gonna click on download. So you will wait for a few seconds and let it get downloaded. So boom. So this is what we got in here. So our perfect YouTube thumbnail, and this is how you're gonna make it. If you want to make with other templates, there are a lot of templates available. You could use pre-used template like this one and add your own thing and add your own picture. So it means you can change this picture as well. You're gonna cut it and add your own one. Command Z. You can you can do whatever you want. These are pre-made thumbnails. You check this one out. Multi-YouTube thumbnail. So even you can work on this one if you have something interesting. So this is a very quick way on if you're a frequent uploader and you don't want to work on a lot of projects and pay someone else to make your thumbnails. And this is how you can make attractive looking amazing thumbnails. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel, because we will be coming with greater videos, and we'll catch you next time. Keep visiting Tigez Schooling.